people के पेड़. We are riding N250 today. ब्रो इसमें हैंडल बार काफ़ी पास है. कंसोल देखने के लिए ऑलमोस्ट थोड़ा नीचे देखना पड़ रहा है. सिटिंग पोस्चर वाइज अपर बॉडी कंफर्टेबल है. सामने का पैर रखने के लिए इट्स इन्वर्टेड इनवर्ड्स. लाइक पैर ऐसा रहना चाहिए ना. पैर के लिए जो सपोर्ट है साइड में, इट्स लिटिल बिट इनवर्ड्स. तो माई हील इज़ हियर एंड माई टो इज़ हियर. थोड़ा इनवर्ड है. हैंडलिंग ईजी है, नथिंग रॉन्ग विद दैट. लेकिन थोड़ा ओपन रोड्स मिलेगा. वी विल टेस्ट मोर ऑफ इट. आई लाइक द साउंड. इट्स मीटी and I would like to hear more of the sound if the traffic was little less and the roads a little open, and that is exactly where we are headed. Clutch is nice and light, लेकिन front brake lever जो है it's little bit far for my fingers. Not sure why this is so jerky. Is the traction control so intrusive? I'll have to turn it off. But in a way it's teaching me to stay, in a limit. For first time riding, this might be beneficial. So I'm not able to, enjoy any pull on it. But the views are amazing as always. Let's do a slight corner test. I don't want to do anything crazy. This is a very new machine for me, and the traction control is making it Google कर लो how to turn off traction control. Okay, finally traction control is off and we will be able to enjoy it a little bit without getting those hiccups. The sun is so nice and beautiful. It's limited to 7,000 RPM only. Bro, this is unstable. When I'm changing gear, little unstable, but the pull is good. There is power and it's happy to lean wherever I want to lean. Okay, this one just has 5 gears. Okay, I thought being a 250 it'll have 6, but yeah, even in the 5th gear, see, if I pull the throttle, it has enough juice. But when I try to upshift, there is a little bit of wobble in the body. I'm not sure that it's because I'm not used to the gear shifting in this, so I'm doing it abruptly or anything. But I will try to do a couple of rounds. Let's see. Yeah, in the high RPM shifts there is a little bit of body wobble, and if I try to stop, it's very high pitch. MTC error I am getting. I'm still getting that little bit lag that I was getting with the MTC on as well, but it's still a better experience. It's a track test vehicle, so a couple of sensors might not be on. Maybe that's why. Yeah, during the upshift and downshift it wobbles a lot. For cornering it's good. I don't want to lean it too much. Let me tell you how this looks. from outside. This is how it looks. The front is nice. I like the gold forks, those are nice and chunky. There is a big disc, and this is how this sounds. Let me open up my visor. So this is how this sounds. See, there's a little bit of vibration when I rev, but yeah, overall I'll tell you in the next stop. Time to take this a little bit of off-roading. The exhaust sounds raspy. बाकी ऑफ-रोड के लिए आई थिंक इट्स ओके. थोड़ा सा बाउंसी है, तो आई थिंक विथ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रीलोड एडजस्टेबिलिटी आई थिंक इट विल बी एबल टू मनूवर लिटिल बिट बेटर, क्योंकि इसका फ्रंट एंड लिटिल बिट हल्का है रादर देन जिक्सर, सो इट इज़ बाउंसिंग अ लिटिल बिट मोर. 7500 पे इसमें जो लिमिटर आ रहा है ना, अलग लेवल है भाई. एंड इसका फ्रंट एंड बाइट भी काफ़ी सॉलिड है. इन माई जिक्सा आई एम यूज टू लाइक उसमें दबा लो जोर से ब्रेक, फिर भी इट कैचेस ऑन लैटरली और इन अ लीनियर वे. यहाँ पे इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बाइट, सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. I want to take a stopping speed. Our camera is going at 60 kmph approximately, and we'll be taking a braking test. How long does it take to stop from 60? Yeah, that was fast. From 60 I see a little bit of skid mark because the traction control is off and the off-road mode is on, so the rear brake, the rear ABS, that is non-existent. Now since that it is really trending, I would take a no handlebar, no hands test to see if it leans to a certain angle. Okay, yeah, it definitely leaning a little bit towards the left. I have to adjust it using my body. Let's do that again. I'll go to the center of the road. Okay, going no hands in now. Yeah, it's definitely leaning towards the left a little bit, but overtakes, city drives and everything easy peasy. But once you hit the limiter, it stops you, and now it's really unstable. Yeah, completely very unstable, because this is a very windy place. It's a very windy day and this has no fairing, but the power is good, the pull is good. Apart from leaning towards the left, if you just touch it, it will stop. See, just one finger and it's balanced. But yeah, you'll have to keep that one finger. And one more test I want to do is, can it start in 5th gear from a standstill? Let's go. Can we do it? Yes we can. Yes we can. Yes, with the help of the clutch, of course. Yeah, from standstill in 5th gear, it's easily doable. And if I want to stand on it, I am able to see the front tires. That is a very rare thing, but it's not a comfortable position to stand because the handlebars are little short, so we'll have to be more comfortable in sitting on one of these rather than standing. But for the occasional off-road, you can tuck in your legs and do a crouch position and you should be okay. Like this, I think should be fine for you. If I want to flick it around, it's nimble, nice. It changes directions as per my command. This is a good motorcycle, has good power, and in city this would be very good. On highway, I think the limiter is a big thing. we need to see if we can tackle that, because initially when the traction control is on I was limited to 4000 or 3000 4000 rpm. Now I'm limited to 7000 8000 rpm, so that is a little bit disappointing. Listen to this baby. That's a nice sounding exhaust. Bro, this view, nice. So this is how it looks. Everything is LED. Let me turn it on. Yeah, LED. These are also LED. And in the front we have to turn on the engine, and we have the light. So this is the normal and this is the high beam. So if you see the throw, it's down to the earth. I like the forks, man. There are big chunky upside down forks, and this is the big disc. This is the ABS string. This is by a brand named Grimeca that I have never heard of. Dual channel ABS. You have the reflectors, and for the build quality, this one also has a little bit of distance. See, on this side there is a little bit more gap than this side. We have a plastic sump guard and single horn. We have an oil cooled radiator up top. This is the cute little exhaust. That sounds really good. We have a little cute small disc ABS string. These are 140 70 17. These are a little bit taller than my bike. The tail tidy is really nice. It's nice and sweet. You don't need to do any more adjustment. The tire hugger, you can remove that and that would make it look much better. If you want that look, this red color looks really nice out in front of this sunset.